Turn Google into cash, innovative ways to boost your income. Ready to transform your online activity into a steady income stream? In this video, we'll explore creative and effective ways to make money using Google. Whether you're looking to monetize your content, leverage Google's tools, or discover new income opportunities, we've got you covered. Making money online using Google Sites involves leveraging the platform to create a website that supports your chosen method of monetization. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Choose a niche. Identify your interests. Choose a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Popular niches include tech reviews, travel, food, personal finance, and health. Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to ensure there's demand for your chosen niche. To create a Google site, sign into Google Sites. Visit Google Sites sitesgo.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Start a new site. Choose a template or start from scratch. Design your site. Add pages, customize the layout, and integrate images, videos, and text. Make sure your site is user-friendly and visually appealing. 3. Monetization strategies. Google AdSense. Sign up for Google AdSense with Google's.com AdSense. Start place ads on your Google site where they are visible but not intrusive. Earn money when visitors click on ads or view them depending on the ad type. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or others related to your niche. Promote affiliate products on your site through product reviews, blogs, or banners. Earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Sell digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or other digital products. Sell them directly from your Google site using payment platforms like PayPal or Google Pay. Offer services. If you have a skill, for example, writing, graphic design, consulting, offer your services through your site. Create a dedicated page outlining your services, pricing, and how clients can contact you. 5. Analyze and optimize. Use Google Analytics. Track your site's performance to understand visitor behavior and optimize accordingly. A/B testing. Experiment with different layouts, content, and monetization strategies to see what works best. Update regularly. Keep your content fresh and up to date to maintain and grow your audience. 6. Scale and grow. Expand your content. Continuously add new content, products, or services to attract more visitors. Diversify income streams. Combine multiple monetization methods to increase your earning potential. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, emails, and feedback to build a loyal community. 7. Promoting your Google site. Social media marketing, email marketing, collaborations, and partnerships. 8. Tracking your earnings and growth using Google Analytics. Setting up goals and tracking conversions. 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Overloading the site with ads, ignoring mobile responsiveness, not updating content regularly. 10. Case studies of successful Google Sites. Examples of profitable Google Sites. Key takeaways from each case study. 11. Conclusion recap of key points. Encouragement to start your own Google site. 12. FAQs. Can I really make money with Google Sites? How long does it take to start earning? Is Google Sites better than WordPress for making money? Do I need technical skills to monetize a Google site? How can I increase traffic to my Google site? By following these steps, you can effectively monetize a Google site and start earning money online. Introduction. Have you ever wondered if you could turn a simple website into a money-making machine? With Google Sites, you can do just that. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced online entrepreneur, Google Sites offers a user-friendly platform to create a website that can generate income. In this guide, we'll dive into various strategies you can use to monetize your Google site and turn your online presence into a profitable venture. There are many reasons why Google Sites is an excellent choice for making money online. Free and easy to use. Google Sites is completely free, making it accessible for anyone who wants to create a website without upfront costs. The platform is also incredibly user-friendly, so even those with no technical skills can build a site integration with other Google services. Google Sites works seamlessly with other Google products like Google Analytics, Google AdSense, and Google Drive, making it easier to track your progress and monetize your site customization options. Although Google Sites is simple, it offers a range of customization options to make your site unique and suited to your brand. Monetization strategies for Google Sites. Now that you understand the basics of Google Sites, let's explore how you can start making money from your site. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. By promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral links, you can generate a steady stream of income. How to start with affiliate marketing on Google Sites. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs related to your site's niche. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction are popular affiliate networks. Choosing the right affiliate programs. Make sure the products you promote are relevant to your audience. This increases the likelihood of conversions and higher commissions. AdSense Integration. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your site. When visitors click on these ads, you earn a small fee. How to apply for Google AdSense. Create an AdSense account, connect it to your Google site, and start displaying ads. Google will automatically place relevant ads on your site based on your content. Tips for maximizing AdSense revenue. To increase your earnings, place ads in strategic locations on your site where they are most likely to be clicked. Avoid placing too many ads, as this can overwhelm visitors and reduce the user experience. Offering services. If you have a skill or service to offer, such as graphic design, writing, or consulting, you can use Google Sites to create a portfolio and attract clients. Creating a portfolio site. Showcase your best work on your Google site and provide clear calls to action for potential clients to contact you. How to attract clients. Use SEO strategies to make your site more visible in search results, and promote your services through social media and professional networks. Selling digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and printable templates can be sold directly from your Google site. What digital products can be sold? Consider what products are most relevant to your audience. For example, if your site is about fitness, you could sell workout plans or nutrition guides. How to set up a sales page on Google Sites. Create a dedicated sales page on your site with product descriptions, images, and a payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe. Content marketing and sponsored posts. Building a blog on your Google site can attract a loyal audience. Once you have a steady stream of visitors, you can earn money through sponsored posts. Building a blog on Google Sites. Regularly post high-quality content that is relevant to your niche. Use SEO strategies to attract more readers. How to attract sponsors for your blog. Once your blog gains popularity, reach out to companies in your niche and offer to write sponsored posts for a fee. Setting up your Google site for monetization. Before you start monetizing your Google site, it's essential to set it up correctly to maximize your earnings. Choosing a niche. Focus on a specific topic or industry where you have expertise or interest. This helps attract a targeted audience that is more likely to engage with your content and offers. Designing your Google site for conversions. Use a clean and professional design that guides visitors towards taking action, such as clicking on an affiliate link or purchasing a product. Adding essential pages. Make sure your site includes important pages like about, contact, and privacy policy. These pages build trust with your audience and are often required for monetization programs like Google AdSense. Promoting your Google site. Creating a site is just the first step. You need to promote it to attract visitors. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to drive traffic to your site. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and valuable content to keep your audience engaged. Collaborations and partnerships. Partner with other bloggers, businesses, or influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Tracking your earnings and growth. To understand how well your monetization strategies are working, it's essential to track your earnings and site performance. Using Google Analytics, set up Google Analytics on your site to monitor traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Setting up goals and tracking conversions. Use the goals feature in Google Analytics to track specific actions like clicks on affiliate links or sales of digital products. Common mistakes to avoid. When monetizing your Google site, it's important to avoid common pitfalls that can hinder your success. Overloading the site with ads. Too many ads can make your site look cluttered and drive away visitors. Focus on quality over quantity, ignoring mobile responsiveness. Ensure your site is mobile friendly, as a significant portion of. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies for financial success. Hashtag make money online, hashtag Google income, hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag Google AdSense, hashtag passive income.